In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Slack notifications for PC and mobile. Never miss a message again. Let's get you set up so important messages never slip by. Start by opening Slack and heading to your home view. This is the main screen where you see your channels and direct messages, and it's the right place to begin. On desktop, look down to the bottom left corner of the Slack window. Click your profile picture or name to open your account menu. This is where Slack keeps your personal settings, including everything related to notifications. From that menu, choose Preferences. A settings window will open. On the left, select Notifications if it isn't already highlighted. We'll adjust a few items here to make sure you're covered on both computer and phone. Under How to Notify You, check the boxes that control how alerts appear and sound. Turn on banners or alerts so you actually see notifications pop up, and enable sound if you want an audible cue. Showing message previews can help you quickly scan what the notification is about without opening Slack, but feel free to turn previews off if you prefer more privacy on shared screens. Now confirm that both desktop notifications and mobile notifications are enabled. On your computer, this ensures Slack can display alerts even when the app is minimized. On your phone, this allows Slack to send push notifications. If your system prompts you for permission, click Allow. After this, it's a good idea to make sure notifications are enabled in your device's settings as well, on Windows or Mac OS for the desktop app, and in your phone's notification settings for iOS or Android. Next, move to the section labeled What to Notify You About. This controls the scope of messages that will trigger an alert. Choose Everything. With this setting, Slack will notify you for all new messages in channels you're part of, plus direct messages and mentions. It's the most thorough option, and the best choice if you want to be absolutely sure you don't miss anything. You can always fine-tune later if you find it too chatty. That's the core setup. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you're still not seeing alerts, check that your computer's focus or Do Not Disturb mode isn't silencing notifications, and make sure Slack isn't set to pause notifications. Also, remember that muting a specific channel or conversation will override global settings for that space. With these preferences in place, your Slack notifications are now configured for both PC and mobile, so you can stay on top of every update without constantly checking the app.